What's up, guys? It's Omar Franklin. I'm back with a new video today, guys. So today I'm gonna give away some products in this video, guys. Before you go about and get those products, I need you guys to subscribe to my channel and the post notification bell, because guys, you are slacking on subscribing to my channel. You're watching the video but you're not subscribing, and like taking the knowledge that I'm giving but you're not subscribing, guys, and commenting and liking this video. So you can go on my channel and learn some more stuff, all the ads, all the like all of these stuff, all the fine products, guys. So you go back and check out video that I did, guys. So make sure you go and check out that. Let's jump straight into products. So these are products right here. So I'm going to show you the products that I'm talking. So this is one of the products. This is a product right here. This is it. So as you can see right here, let's look for this product on AliExpress. Let's look for this first, guys. So you can get this extension right here called AliExpress search by image. And you also search by eBay as well. So that's the next fire knowledge that I give you guys. Find the products that you find so easily. Find product and can't find it so easily. This will help you guys. But it's not the right one, but it's similar. It's in Japanese, but it's the same product, but it's in like Chinese. I mean Chinese language, guys. The print is in Chinese. Yeah, but this extension can help you right here to find a product quicker that you're looking for that you can't find. But this is product one, guys. So you can like go over AliExpress, find these products, check the trend for the product, all of the stuff. But I'm showing you guys so these products really at right here. Nice little product page. This product page will like surely convert. Which team this? Oh, this. This is a really good product, so you can go. That's product one, guys. You can go and add that product to your store. Also, remember to subscribe to my channel on products or like training and all of those stuff. You can like hit me up on Instagram, guys. This is my Instagram profile already. Go ahead and give me a follow as well. Yeah, I'm from Jamaica, guys. So yeah, just follow my Instagram or go hit me up on Facebook. So that's product one. Let's go for product two, guys. You guys must know this pet bed product. This pet bed product is doing extremely well. This product is doing extremely well, guys. See right here. Look. These Shopify store, Shopify. All of these. This one is not Shopify. All of these right here are Shopify store. That signify you, show that this product is selling, guys. So you can do the same procedure. Let's try out this extension I got here. Find this product. This extension is very helpful. You find cheaper supplier with this extension, but sometimes cheap supplier is not good. Like, this is a cheap supplier. Let's go on this cheap supplier. Like, his rating is so bad. So you guys get this up called Ali up. See supplier rating, guys. Just copy it. So AliExpress. Yeah, this is a product right here. This is a good supplier. I like check the rating. Rating is good. Yeah, so this is one that you can like. This supplier is a supplier you can use. Make sure you check the supplier before you add products. Like, go ahead, search for these products and like add a product in your store. Make sure the description are good. The title is already good. Just make sure the description is good. Yeah, also I set out this title so you get some. So when you person search for these titles for the product, you like up on the front here, guys. So make sure you include the title in the description 2 times. These keywords in the description 2 times, guys. So you can like be up in the search when person looking for these products. But let's go ahead and add these products immediately in your store, and you will like see result. I'm guaranteed that you will see result if you're doing your advertisement correct way. If you don't know how to do the advertisement, go back and check out my other videos on the channel to do advertisement, or like hit me up on Facebook, Instagram, any of those platforms, guys, and I will like help you out. I'm a helpful person. I like help people out a lot. So that's it for the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and subscribe. I'm out. I will leave the link in the description for this right here, so you can go and check out that. Go and steal these products that I give you.